What is the solution for confusion, sir?
Okay, look, confusion is not something that we are finding somewhere else. It is just into our mind. Look, uh, when we focus on different things at a time, then our mind becomes confused. It becomes something at a confusion level that it is not perceiving the things perfectly. If we are focused on one point, then the other things which are just beside it will automatically be vanished. So the first thing is just try to focus your mind on your object or your aim, whatever you want to achieve in your life. This is the main point. Second, when we have a perfect stream in our life and we have find it and we know to which direction we have to go, then our attention will be diverted from all other things which are confusing us. Okay, and remember one thing, our mind always needs some work to do. If we leave it alone and if we are making it lazy, we are not giving it anything to do, then it simply processes those things which are in its past. It goes on thinking about it, and because it does not have any other work, so it wants to think this and that, and automatically it makes the decision for our future also confused. So the main thing is divert your attention towards your aim or your goal in your life, and the energy which is diverting itself here and there, it will be focused at just one direction or at one point, and the confusion will be vanished. This is the main point. Confusion can be only when we do not have a perfect direction in our life. So always think about it, that whether I have an aim in our life, or if there is no aim, that means your energy is making itself diverted from the right path and thinking about this and that, so many things. So always make yourself be focused on the right path, and stay away from such things which are not for your use, and forget the past. Do not think about the past, because past is just an imagination, and imagination, is just into our mind, and it is not something like reality. If we stay in the present time, then definitely our attention will also be at a point, at the present moment. And same the thing we can understand about the future. If we are not confused or thinking about the future, but we are at the present moment, then energy knows what to do. Then we do not have to direct the energy to any direction to reach any goal. So try to stay at the present moment, and automatically energy will not be confused. It will just be simply focused on the right path. So this way it can be easy for you. So in very easy and just one or two lines, if I want to say, that is, just think about your goal, wherever you want to go. That is the thing. If you are focused on your goal, then your energy, which is diverting itself here and there, that will be automatically accumulated to that one point, and you will find your way very clear. You know that I have to go this way. Then you will have no confusion. This is the important thing to understand. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Most welcome.